Hi everyone, I'm Paloma Contreras and welcome to the newest episode of PC at Home. Today, we're in my formal living room where I love to entertain. It's great that it's right off of the bar as well as across from our dining room. So when we're entertaining more formally, this is naturally where we end up. When I started designing this space, one of the first pieces I selected was the Grady box pleated sofa from Serena and Lily. I'd been itching to use a box pleated sofa. I just love the formality, but also the geometry of the beautiful pleated skirt, and knew that it would be perfect in this formal living room. From there, I added lots of additional seating to ensure that the space was comfortable and flexible for formal entertaining. When the weather's nice and we're entertaining friends with children or just more casually, we love to spend time outdoors on our patio. Let's go take a look. When designing my home, both indoors and outdoors, I focused on the use of timeless, beautiful, and enduring materials. So on our patio, you'll see we have white painted brick along with blue limestone pavers. As a result, I needed furniture that would feel classic and timeless, but also casual and inviting for an outdoor space. So naturally, I turned to Serena and Lily and their beautiful Pacifica collection. I was drawn to the Serena and Lily Pacifica sofa for its clean and timeless design and also the durability of the beautiful materials. The faux rattan that they use for their outdoor furniture looks so great and stands up to the elements. We also used a umbrella fabric on our cushions in a classic blue and white stripe to add a little bit of cheerful color out here, again, knowing that this is a durable fabric that was made for the outdoors. When designing casual spaces, I love utilizing chairs on swivels, which allows us the versatility to have a casual conversation with friends on the patio or to watch the children in the garden. Thank you so much for following the PC at Home series. I've loved sharing my renovation journey with you.